Here's another good example how timing and pricing can help you trade stress-free and with minimum risk. This is the daily chart. Let's take a look. In the daily chart, I already gave TSM price levels yesterday and today, being 3,977 and 3,971 from yesterday, which is exactly on this line here. This happened to land again today at this specific price. Why did I go long? Because you guys know, I know, that for gold, this is gold by the way, we have from 4:05 to 8 p.m. my time, we have a momentum push continuation happening from 4:05 to 8 p.m. precise. In addition to that, I've got trade hours overall for Friday coming up at 10 past 6 and 10 o'clock. This is exactly 4 o'clock my time with the server. In the summer, it's at the same time. In the winter, I'm 1 hour ahead. Okay, that's your 4 o'clock. This bar closed. This is a 15-minute chart. Immediately I entered tight stop loss just under there. Why? Because if I'm wrong, we shouldn't close under the low that it did. We should just push up. So I did. The first target was here. That's already taken. I pushed the stop loss now to the place of the first target, and the open position has its second target there. If you go to x.com Global Trader Club, Marty Maidan, you'll find that I posted this like about an hour ago, I think. So check it out there with the price. The important thing here is, why is a good case study? Knowing what will happen before it happens with your asset specific reporting and your trade hours plus your trade hours that are around here, you can reduce your risk and increase your profit because your stop losses are tight and you have an anticipation of what is going to happen. I've made videos on this before this week about the trap hours and how they panned out. If you know what's going to happen in between hours, you can manage your trade stress-free with minimum risk, because if we get things wrong, you're not going to be in there. Your risk is minimal and your profit is maximum. Now what am I going to do? It's 6:25 now. I have two options. I've already moved the stop loss, so I don't have to worry about it. I can start to, well, I can check this every, I don't know, half an hour or 15 minutes to see where we're going until 8 o'clock. So let's put 8 o'clock here. This is 8 o'clock. And I can say to myself, well, we still have time to go to 8 o'clock. Maybe I can move my take profit slightly higher, and I'm going to check what's going on at 8 o'clock anyway. Plus, I also know that if we keep going up, that the market, if it has direction after 6 o'clock, it can still continue into 10 o'clock, which is why I've got the 10 o'clock hour here. 10 o'clock, right? So that's the 8. So where's the 8 coming from? The 8 is coming from your CycleEdge, because we've got 4 to 8 momentum push. So the market can push into 8 and just muck around there, or keep pushing until 10 10 o'clock. In the report, I've got 9:46. That's Saturday. It's not a trade day, but I still keep it on because what happens here is important to determine also Friday. So I do take a look at it. And that's it. Stress-free. Also in the report, let's take a look at this little detail. It says, listen, from 11 to 12, it might be a trap-like reversal. So the market can muck around until 11 and we might have a sudden fall into the closing, which is good to know. And if you take a look at the previous videos I posted today about the traps, what we mentioned, let's see. Come on, guys. Yep, Tuesday, here we are. Trap-like reversal. Just watch the videos, you'll see. This is New York session. Check what happened. Wednesday, that's the Asia trap-like reversal. And watch again what happened with the examples I posted. These are really, really important information you won't get anywhere else. Nobody will be this specific in any of their forecasting. So hope that helps. Hope this brings a new perspective to your trading, because everybody's been telling me since I started calculating these things that it's impossible to know what the market will do before it does it. And I've just proven on many occasions, like hundreds of posts and videos, that it is possible. Have a good weekend.